Hi fam, how are we doing? Welcome to today's video. Hurry up, oh, hurry up. Huge returns on this stock. I'm going to tell you a stock that you should keep an eye on. I've been talking about this stock before it ran to 100%. Now we are chasing 150% and almost going to 200%. So if you missed it when I started talking about it, it is still not late. Yes, it is still not late. I just want to show you what you can do ASAP. I hope you're excited and I hope you are doing good. And the name of the stock is Nvidia, the king of them all. The king of them all. This stock just hit $5 trillion in valuation. Did you hear me? 5 trillion. Oh my God. Did you see this? Did you see this green, this yellow line? This was when we started buying it. A lot of members in the community, because it was up and I told them to chill. This stock is gonna come down, and it came as low as 90, but we started buying it at 95 and we bought a little more even below 90. And look at this amazing run. We've run up to 180, run up to 190 and crossed $200. And right now we're going to talk about where you can actually leverage. There's still a lot of opportunities in this particular stock, so I feel like I need to let you in. And of course, I want to talk to you about some of the testimonials we have had. These are people who are feeling like, oh, I'm just getting the knowledge. Let me just test the water. And the person says, Julia, thank you so much. I made $6 free. $6, guys. And this person says, I just bought 5 shares of this particular stock. I just recommended for her in the community. So she asked me if she could buy it, and I said yes. She said, see my portfolio, we move. And I told her I was so proud of her. So this is majorly from batch 6, and I had to pick some testimonials from batch 5. Look at what this person wrote to me. She says, thank you, coach. By your guidance and advice, I made a breakthrough today in SoFi. You mentioned that their Q3 results will be out today. I monitored it closely. The result, this is my kind of students. These are the kind of people I'm breeding. The result came out good, double-digit growth in most parameters and above analyst estimates. Based on this, I noticed it closed yesterday at 30. And as you advised, that the cheaper, the better because of price fluctuation. I waited. She bought this stock at $28 and it ran to 31. And oh my God, she said, thank you, coach, for your guidance on US stock. You are one of the rare coaches in US market we have, and we sincerely appreciate your guidance. God bless you. Look at this. Thank you so much for your relentless support and coaching. Your coaching has helped me to learn and understand the stock market. Keep up the excellent work. Julia, I want to appreciate you. Are one in a million. Your teaching is down to earth. I've been able to research stocks a little now. I got value for the money paid. Can you imagine? I just wanted to start on this note because we are doing the last um batch for the year. So a quick disclaimer, this video I'm going to do today is for educational purposes. So I'm going to show you a couple of things about the stock, which is Nvidia. I want you to do your own research and know if you can cash in. When we are talking about money we are going to make for December, this is one area we are looking to make some money in December. And I cannot wait for you, yes, you watching this video, to join us and be a part of it. So welcome to my YouTube channel. Hi, my name is Julia, and on this channel I show you how to make your money work for you, leveraging the US stock market, the Nigerian stock market, and every other investment assets that will make you money. I want you to understand that you can plan your future so that you can take a rest in the next 10 years, so that your money will be solving all the problems you can think of. So like this video, give this video at least 50 likes, and subscribe if you have not. If you've been watching, please subscribe, and drop a comment. Let me know if you have Nvidia. Type NVDA. Type NVDA if you have Nvidia. Please do that for me. If you own it, let me know. So let me tell you something about stock market success. It's hugely dependent on knowledge. Of course, you know that when you know better, you do better. The second thing I want you to know is there is consistency. It's a game of patience consistency, and strategy. So the good news is that there's a lot that can still happen before the year ends. It's not too late to make 2025 your year of financial growth and clarity for a positive financial transformation. I'm saying this so that you would not beat yourself up you have missed. Yes, there's so many opportunities. In fact, between last week and this week, if you watch my YouTube short last night, you will see that all the stocks we picked last week they were like hot bangers for this week. Imagine getting a stock at $34 and it ran to $42 in a space of 4 days. That is what I love to do. I want to show you where this money is in the stock market. Okay, so let's go through the chart and see Nvidia. Let's talk about their partnerships that they're having that is blowing this stock up, and let's see the money making moves, meaning where the money is. So I want to show you today. I'm excited. I want you to make money. Even if you don't want to join the community, I want to make some money so you have some money to join the community. And of course, I just wrote a new book. The book will be up tomorrow. It is called 1 Billion Wealth Plan. This is it's going to be so cheap. It's going to be less than 3,000 naira. It's going to be less than a pack of your shawarma. It's going to be less than the money you spend on data per week. And this is a guide to becoming a billionaire before 65. It is very possible. All you need is a plan. I have put it down. You do yourself a favor, don't miss getting this book. Okay. So join the VIP community. It is just 50,000 naira. And what we're doing is we are doing money reset. We are doing 100% challenge, dividend challenge, compound interest, market analysis, because we want to grow rich in 2025 and 2026. And of course, like I said, this is the last batch for the year. So don't miss this 7.0. I'm not doing any batch again, till 2026. So make sure I'm opening my arms wide so that you can join 2025 7.0 batch. Don't wake up 2026 and then start telling me, oh, I wished this is your moment. This is your moment to join 7.0. So you learn, you practice, and you earn. So let's go back. Sorry for that. Let's go back to the chart and then let's see where you need to look for money. Okay, hang on. All right, so I pulled this up because I was so excited about it. Nvidia becomes first company to reach $5 trillion valuation, fueled by AI boom. This just popped up today. It just popped up today and I'm excited about it. The tech giant has evolved from a niche video game processor to an integral player in the AI boom. See, you cannot do AI if you are not playing with Nvidia. Once they touch you, it's like open AI coming to partner with you. This is amazing. I also saw this news which I really enjoyed. Let me show you. Nvidia partners with Palantir, Uber, and more, easing AI bubble fear. So you can see that a lot is happening in the AI. It has come to stay. Look at all the things they have. They have this their they did a GPC conference, and it has been amazing. They have been doing a lot of partnerships. They have their annual conference, chip makers annual conference that they did, and they've been trying to dominate the AI space. So look at these companies that they are partnered with. They're going to do a lot of amazing things. So watch out for them. And of course, the recent one that just popped late last night and early this morning was that Nvidia takes $1 billion stake in Nokia. People of God, if you're not putting Nokia in your watch list, I'm just giving you a free call out. Put Nokia in your watch list. Of course, they ran 22% in one single day because of this news, but wait for the pullback because it will definitely pull back, and that's the best time to jump in. So let's get into the chart and then let's look at Nvidia. So this is Nvidia. I told us we've been raking this stock all the way when it was around 90, because it's been running. We had this stock before now, and it went as high as 150 and came down to 88 when it had that issue with what's the name of the second, apart from ChatGPT, there was another one that popped up that was trying to cause wahala. I can't remember at this point in time, but this is real time. I'm actually watching the market right now. We have been buying this dip, and this dip has paid off well. So if I expand it more, you'll see that we have had a very good year. Look at this move from 90 to 212. Like we touched 212 today. Now some people are asking me, oh, I missed this Nvidia. Oh, what do I do next? What will I do, Julia? I missed out. Yes, you did miss out. I will not even lie about it. You missed a good run. Look at this. If you're in the community, you would have caught it. Yes, there are people who are not in the community who actually caught Nvidia, and that's why I said if you have Nvidia, drop it in the comment section. So now you see we had a little pullback here from 180 to 166. This is beautiful. So you see this, I'm still hoping that in the coming weeks, maybe one of these days, we're going to probably retest this. It may not be immediately, it may not even come this year because AI boom is really massive. But I just want to show you, let me bring this to 30 minutes and see if so you see we've been running from 180 to 200 in the last, you see this was 24th of October and this is 29th of October. We have done almost $30. Now, because of this type of pull up, this type of move, I see this stock coming below 200. So if you see it below 200, it will be a good time to grab it again. If it pulls back into this 198 to 195, down to even 193, if you see it come down into this range, it's a good time to buy it and take it all the way up to 230. I see this stock going to 230, so keep it on your radar. Don't mess with this one. This one can give you some cool cash for Christmas, so do not mess around it. They will likely go up. And remember, their earnings are still coming. They've not even reported their earnings, and when they report their earnings, they've really had a good year. I want you to finish the year strong, so make sure that if you're watching this video, just take your time and make sure that you look through and see this move to the downside, because people are taking profits. Okay, people are taking profits. All the people who were here, who jumped in here briefly, are actually taking their profit 212 from 183. That's a fantastic run. This is the kind of, the volume is mind-blowing. This is amazing. So just briefly, let us look a little at Nokia, because I mentioned Nokia as one of the stocks that had a recent partnership. Can you see the jump? Nokia has been doing $6. In fact, 6 has been its resistance. Look at this. The highest it has gone in a long while is 577. Just let's have pity on them and just approximate it to 6. And then recently it had this, it broke this particular resistance and moved to 6 properly. So now this resistance is now support. So I'm hoping to see this stock come down a little. It has to burn off a little bit, because many people who have been holding on this stock like this here, and they ran to $8, may actually be taking their profit. So make sure you do well to wait it out if you have not been in the game. But this stock will pay you in 2 ways. Do you know that Nokia pays very, very good dividends? And they've been paying every 3 months for the past how many years? More than 5 years now. I know these people used to be very, very good though. I remember back in like maybe 2000 and 2010, Nokia was the in thing. It was the phone that you will carry. Everybody will be envying you. But today, Samsung and Apple, they've taken the lead. So make sure that you keep an eye on this particular stock, as well as your Nvidia. For us, we know how we are playing this game. We are taking profits, and it has been paying us juicy profits. We are reaping everything, compound growth to they've not started paying dividends anyway, but I'm hoping they will start adding those ones. But every good thing that comes with AI correct move, this is where we got it from, and I'm very happy about it. So I do really hope you learned something from this video. This is one stock you should own. And if you see this stock, in fact, let me tell you the truth, this is a stock I can comfortably buy at 200, because I know it will go to 230, to go to 250. It is with time. But I buy it on the pullback. Instead of buying 200, I rather buy at 190. And of course, anytime there is a pullback, to retest this support, this particular support here, because now we have a new support at 194. If we break 194, then we are coming down to 179. And that is where I want you to take your mind. be in this game. Be in this game. Don't say I did not tell you, hey, use this one to make some good money. Nvidia is doing absolutely well. So let's watch out for their earnings. They're going to be giving their earnings in the month of November. I will get the exact date. They are going to be giving their reports then, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Let's talk more about how to make